So let me show you how to create an ebook cover using canva.com. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create something that looks like this so that you can put it on your ebook or your next best-selling book. Without wasting any time, let's get into it. So to create an ebook, simply go to canva.com, as you can see right here. I'm also going to put the link in the description of this video. Canva is a free platform that you can use to design anything visual in terms of graphics. As you can see here, I've got a lot of designs that I usually use, especially for my YouTube. But today we are designing an ebook cover. So it's free to join. You just come here to the search at the top and you're going to type and say ebook cover. And then you're going to press enter. And then Canva is going to give you a lot of templates that you can actually use as ebook covers. So you don't have to design an ebook cover from scratch, or you can simply use what's already there. You get it in there, change the text, change the colors, and you make it yours. But one thing that you should take note of first is that for all these covers, there are free ones and then there are paid ones. So the paid ones are these ones that have got a crown like this. And if you just hover over it, it says Pro. Whereas compared to the free ones like this one, there's nothing going to be written there. So you just scroll down and look for one that makes sense to you, choose it, and then start designing your cover. For now, I'm just going to come here and choose this one. We say Stop Thinking Negative. I click on it, give it a second to open up like this. Then I click where it says Customize this template. Just give it a few seconds to open up. And then when it's done, it's going to look like this. This center part here is where you're going to be editing the ebook cover. And then to the left are the different options that you can actually work with. So first thing that I want to do is that I want to put like my main heading or title for my ebook. In this case, I'm going to be making an ebook about how you can grow your business using YouTube. So all I just have to do is just double click on the text. As you can see, it automatically gets highlighted and then I can start typing. I'm going to say grow your business using YouTube. I'm going to add an O over there. And then as you can see, it's currently overlapping the red text at the back. So I'll just click out. And then I'll come back and then click and drag the text to the top. Then I'll come to this text and then I'll just drag it down. Then I'll come back to this text again and then position it where I want it to be. This looks good there. Quick announcement. If you want to learn how to make money online by creating and selling ebooks, I want to invite you to check out my 5-day challenge, which will show you exactly how you can build your own online business by selling digital products. This is a 5-day challenge which will take you through step by step everything that you need to know about how to create your own online business where you can earn passive income by having your own digital product. You simply create the product, put it on a website, start advertising it, and then start getting sales on a daily basis. You can either click on the QR code that you see on your screen right here or click the link that's in the description of this video so that you can get access to the challenge. And I'll see you on the inside as I help you to start your own online business where you can start earning passive income. Let's make some money together. Then I'll come to this red section here and then I'll just double click again and then type in whatever I want it to say. I'll just say a step-by-step guide to finding unlimited clients using YouTube, right? And then because the font kind of looks very slim to me, I'm just going to change it. I'm just going to highlight all the font. I'm using Mac. I'm going to click on Command A. If you're using Windows, it's Control A. And then I'll come to the top and then just click on this font right here. The current font is Poppins. But if I look here to the left, I can see different fonts that I can choose from. I'm going to click on this one, which is called Glacial Indifference because I've used it before and I like it. Then as you can see, it's changed. And then I'm going to click here on the B to make it bold. And then lastly, I'll come here where it says alignment. And then I'm going to align it to the center like this. Then I'm just going to click out so that you see what it actually looks like without it being highlighted. And then I'll just drag it like this. You see these lines that pop up. I'm going to look for the center one like this so that I actually know that it's actually in the center. Then at the bottom here where it says Helen Paquette, I can change that and put my name. I'm just going to click on that once, come to the top, align to the center. Then I'll click on it and then I'll just type my name there, Marshall Malava like this. And then as you can see, my ebook cover is coming up. And so another thing that I want to do also is maybe just play around with the background and change it, put like maybe a different image there, and plus also put the logo of YouTube there. So what you can do is that you can actually go to Google and type in and search for Google images like this. And then you just search. And then it's going to be this one at the top that says Google Images. You can click on that. And then once you arrive in here, you then search for whatever you want. In my case, I'm going to search for the YouTube logo, but then I'm going to add the words PNG. PNG simply means that it's going to be an image without a background. It can have a white background or no background at all. Then I'll just type in PNG like this. And then I'm going to select from these different images that I see an image that I want to work with. So let me just scroll down and find a nice image. For example, I like this one. It looks 3D. I'm just going to click on it, wait for it to pop up like this. And then I'm just going to right click on it and then save image to my computer. As you can see, saving to downloads. And then I'm just going to say save. And then I'll scroll down a bit again and see if there's another image that maybe looks better that I can work with. Like maybe this one here. I like the fact that it kind of has this grunge effect. I'll click on that, right click on the image again, and then say save image as, and then I'm going to save it to my downloads. As you can see, both images have now downloaded there. Then I'll go back to that image. Then I'm going to click here where it says upload files. And then I'm going to select the file that I want to upload. I'm going to go to my downloads there and then look for the images that I want to use. So it's going to be this one and this one. And yeah, I downloaded some earlier on. I'm just going to highlight them as well. Then I'm going to click on open. As you can see, some of the files can't be uploaded. I'm just going to click on OK, got it. The reason why it would say that is because some of the file formats, they might not work inside of Canva. But as you can see, I now have these 3 ones here. Then all I have to do is just click on the image. And then as you can see, it pops up right here in the middle. And then I can then position it wherever I want. I'm going to move it to the top, come to this one here, delete it, and then move this one to where that one previously was. And I'll just do it like that. And then you notice that there's this option to rotate. I'm just going to use that option and then just rotate this a bit like this. And then it looks like that. If I'm happy with the positioning, it's fine. Or maybe let me just put it in the center like this. And then also come down to this text here. And then I'm going to come and say alignments and align the text to the center. See what that looks like. I think this actually makes it look better. And I think my ebook cover is almost done. And if I want just to spice it up, I actually can just come in here and see where it says your business. I can just highlight that and change it to a different color. I'm just going to click on that A over here for the color. And then I'm just going to choose I'm going to choose yellow. And then as you can see, it's now different. If I just highlight outside of that, this is what it looks like now. Grow your business using YouTube. Then maybe for my name as well, I'm just going to click on it and then change the color as well and make my name yellow so that the yellow is a bit consistent like that. As you can see, this looks like it's got a different look and feel. And then if I want to also change the background, another website that you might also want to use is this one, which is called pexels.com. It's a website where you can get free images that you can use, especially for your backgrounds or for anything. I'm just going to type in YouTube here and see what pops up. Like, as you can see, there's somewhere where it says YouTube. So I'll just click on search. And then if there's any image that I like here that I think I can actually use on my ebook cover, I will then take it and use it there. For example, this one, I like this thing where it says YouTube. I can just come here where it says download. I'll click on download. And then it's just going to automatically download to my computer. I'll then come back to my image here. And I can click on upload file just like I showed you earlier on. But for now, I'm just going to click up here because I'm using Mac. And then I can drag the image right here to the center. And as you can see, it's going to start populating in there. But also it's right here in the center where I've put it. Then I can then just drag the image to cover like this. And then as you can see, it's covering everything. Then all I have to do is just either right click and then scroll to here where it says layer. And then I'll look for send to back or send backwards so that I can move the image backwards. But I'm just going to use my computer and say command, and then I'm going to use the brackets so that the image is being pushed to the back. As you can see like this, I like how it's starting to look right now. But as you can see, like some of the text is a bit difficult to actually read. So what I'll then do is that I can come here to the left and I can add an element. I'll just click on elements there. And then I'll just click on a square shape there. And the square shape will appear here in the middle. And then what I'll do is that I'm going to stretch this square shape to cover everything like this. And then I'm going to come and change the color and make it black. And then I'll change the transparency by clicking right here. And then I'm going to drag the transparencies to something like this just to make it a bit light like this. And then I'm going to move the image back. I'm pressing command and bracket on my Mac, but then you can just right click like I showed you and say layer and then send backwards. But I like using shortcuts. So as you can see, now it's going to the back like this. I did too much. This is what it looks like now. And so that's my ebook cover. I totally love the way that this looks. If I still want to make changes, I can go ahead and make changes. But when I'm done, I can click here where it says share. And then I'll click on download. And then I can choose which format I want to download it as. I normally like to use a PNG format. And then I click on download. And now that ebook, as you can see, it's right here. It has been downloaded to my computer. Also, another thing that you want to do is just come up here at the top and then just change the name. For example, I can say YouTube ebook. And then if I save it again, it's going to save it with this name. But yeah, that's the basics of how you can create your own ebook. So that's how you can create your ebook cover using Canva. Let me know in the comments below if you've got any questions or you want me to create another video tutorial showing you how to create something else inside of Canva. Once again, if you want to learn how to make money online by selling digital products, like I was showing you to create ebook covers to actually then take those ebooks and start selling them and create passive income for yourself, make sure that you scan the QR code that you're seeing on your screen or click the link in the description of this video and sign up for my 5-day challenge where I'll be showing you how to create digital products, create your own website, and then start profiting from actually selling digital products. If you found value in this video, please show your support just by hitting the like button. And if you're not yet a subscriber, make sure that you subscribe. And you might want to check out this video next right here, which will show you more ways of making money online by creating and selling digital products.